Okay, gameplay sounds. So this is when you click. Ow, my eyes. There. I like this one. This is for card clicked. Add. There. So this will add this, which contains this, and it has this music. Let's not. There. Nice. So let's add a sound when I build something. Building placer. Let's get the building placer. So when I click something there, terrain resource construction, or the setup building construction. So there. So let's do this sound. Manage, no, script. Oh wait a second, no, that's not how I should have a building sound emitter here. Building placer. There my sound emitter. There I do a play sound. So let's add a new one. Man, I really dislike this. Button clicked. So let's add Let's just delete all of this. Or no, I'm gonna leave them so I can get some inspiration. So building constructed there. So there I do a building constructed. And let's add the sound. There. So first let's get the sound emitter there. So let's get you there. Sound emitter. So here I want to add sounds. Let's add a new one. Let's add a building constructed. Let's add a building constructed. No, not elemental. Free sliding necromancy. No. Music, no. Counter. What's that? Cards. Okay, action. So I guess I like this. I like this one. There. There we go. Let's see. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see. Let's hear. Let's hear how it sounds. Whoop. What? So maybe, why did it sound? Or was it because I'm clicking? So let's see. There. Nice. So let's see this. Oh, almost. Yikes. Can I have these two? Almost. Alright, let's see here. Oh, too far away. These two. Yeah. Oh, they are too far away. Let's see here. No. There. Oh, they are too far away. Oh. Yikes. Not too far away. Oh, there we go. All right, nice. So this should be more 3D, I think. Very 3D. Let's try again. And let's leave the volume there. Oops, didn't hear anything. Maybe it was too far away. Almost. Nope. There. Oh, can I have a X? No, not here. There. Oh, I can't. Not here either. here. Not here either. Not there. That's too far, isn't it? Oh. Well, that's difficult. I can't find a place to build this. That's too far away. Maybe if I do. Oh. There, almost there. Almost there. Yikes. Oh, that's too close. Can I do it like this? Oh, come on. Okay, I need to adjust the collider of the resources. Okay, terrain, resources. Stone, wheat. What? Where is this? Cylinder. Height, radius. Let's change the radius. Okay. Let's make this a little bit bigger. There. Let's try again. Let's see. Okay, so that's... I can barely hear it. I wonder if that's okay. Let me see. So let's try to find... I hope that's easier now. There. Okay, that's a bit... Oh, what happened? Oh, that's... What happened? No reference exception. My sound emitter to the enemy. Okay. Can I see this? Travel detector. What? Enemy. There is no enemy there. Listener. Oh. Of course. That's the listener. Let's leave it like that. Let's increase the volume. Minimum distance. Within the minimum distance, the volume will stay at the loudest possible. Okay. Got it. So this is where you are at the loudest, and this is where you are attenuated. That's like too much attenuation. Wave. Attenuated. So around here you begin to attenuate. There, let's see, 50. That's really far away. You're attenuated. Let's do 4. So you're super loud at 4. Super loud, and 50 or 60, should I say? 60. Wait a second, what if I make this? Alright. A 100. Let's do, what's this? Okay, so 40. Let's do 80. Let's do 100. There we go. Let's try. So sound effects. Okay, let's try again. Ow, my ears. So with stone and tree. Oh, it's going well. I'm adding sounds now. See? Did you hear that? It was a sound. So it's coming along nicely. Oh, I need to add the effects for the combat. Yes. Yes, it does. So let me see. Nice. Oh, what's this? Prepare distraction. Enemy. Wait a second. Okay, so we have enemies. Enemy template. So I need to put the sound emitter there. There we go. And this sound emitter is sound effects group. This should be 4 and a max distance of 100. Wait, let's make that as a default, 4 and 100. There we go. So this other sound was killing my ears, so let's make it a bit slow, lower. Minimum distance, yes, that doesn't matter. So let's pick a sound for the attack. Ouch, my ears. Where can I change the volume? That's too loud. Okay. I need a sound for the basic attack. That sounds good. Okay, let's change this then. A sound manager here. Let's do a basic attack. So let's change this here. Basic attack. Attack A. Let's do B. Attack C. Attack D. Attack E. Attack F. Okay, basic attack. So this should be triggered on the animation. So let's see, command clip events, clip execute guard command, slash enable, no. So when the slash hits, it's one thing. Okay, so let's do what can we do? Maybe no, wait a second, that's not going to work. So what if I add a new one of these? Is effect, no, sound get sound emitter. Okay, so this gets the sound emitter, and I can pass a parameter. Yes. So this execute car command and then spawn prefab. Execute car command. And this one. So with this I can get this entity being auto battles. Okay, should get these auto battles, and I think I should place this I mean the sound emitter on the auto battles manager there, but this shouldn't be private, so I can get it everywhere. Public there. So in this clip I can get the emitter by sound emitter, and I can do a play sound, and I can do this, but I shouldn't do that here. I should do it on a different method, like this. Public void what? Let's do a play sound. I could use this sound enum index there. So with this I can do a play sound, and I can convert this to a sound manager sound effects. Can I do it like this? Sound manager dot sound effects. Yeah, here I can do this. There. Perfect. So I need to send one of these guys. Okay. Compiling. Okay, so ouch. What's this? Punch range slash. So here I can do a play sound. Was it play sound int? And I pass an enum. No need for an int. So I can do a sound effects. No, sound manager. How was it? Sound manager, sound effects. Anyway, sound manager, sound effects dot how was it? Basic attack. What? Sound manager dot sound effects dot basic attack. Why this doesn't work? Oh, wait a second. Sound manager, sound effects. There. Basic attack. Enter. So how was it? Basic attack. 12. I just want to be able to read it. Enum. There. Sound effects. Basic attack. Do I need to do this? Int. Come on, what's the matter? 1, 2, 3. Okay, close. Okay, I need help. Manual. Clip editor. Rotation. Where was it? Main navigation. No. Menu. No. Dope sheet. Dope sheet. There. Function. Parameter. Okay. This property field is disabled. When the parameter type is an enum, you can select the enum value here. And an field is shown instead. Please note that if an event function name is not unique in the current Unity project. Okay, so let's change this to clip play sound, so that should make it unique. By the way, let's put some news arc. No, not this. This. Ouch. So let's look for clip play sound. Ask, so can I get a sound manager? Wait a second. Let's do an enum. Right? Enum. Let's do a sound enum. No, wait, let's do this. Let's do this. Sound enum. Let's go back. There, what's the matter? Okay, let's do a sound manager, sound effects. Oh, please, come on. Play. Okay. So this should be enum. Enum. There. Recompiling. What's the matter? A function with this prototype. What do you mean? Clip play sound enum. There, clip. Okay. Let's delete you. Let's get clip. What? Close. There it is. I can see it. It's here. Clip play sound. Can I recompile? Recompile. Let's do a clip. What happened there? Yes, close. Okay, open. New. Clip. What? Play. What? What's going on? Clip play sound. It's on common clip events. Recompile. Okay, let's see now. Clip. What? Clip. What? Wait. Okay. Now. Clip. What? You can't find it, but it's there. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see, clip, there it is, but this guy, let's try that. Let's see. No, you. Okay, I'll show you. If you want it so bad. But first, what's going on here? Yes. Clip, play sound. There we go. There we freaking go. There we go. There we go. So now let me show you what I've got. Let's pause the music for a little while, and let's hope I don't get too many errors or bugs, so I can show you. There. So this is a loop hero type of game where you can build a village to summon a barbarian. There it is. Did you see this guy? He's a hero. He's a barbarian. So you can equip him with attacks, for example this punch attack that has a cooldown of 6 seconds, it activates when entering close combat, and it does an attack damage of 2. So you can equip this sword too. See, but this doesn't have any effect. Yes, it's a bit complex. But if you played Loop Hero, it's very similar. It's very similar. So check this out. I'm gonna build this tower. Let's see. So the buildings have requirements. This tower requires a wheat, stone, and a tree. So let's search for wheat, stone, and a tree. There are many resources on the map. So let's see. Wheat, stone, and tree. And I have to match it with the red part. See? But they are too far away, so I can't build this here. There, let's see here. Oh, I have a stone, but I can't get the tree. This might be impossible. There, I think I can build it there. Oh, no. There we go. So there, you see, it spawns some enemies there. So the hero is going to attack the enemies. There he goes. There. So he's fighting using these cards. And it's automatic. Oh, the other thing I could do was just to build the resources I need using the cards, but I didn't think that very well. And when you defeat an enemy, it drops cards, so you can create different effects. For example, this is a combo card. So if you had another item here, you could, for fusion this guy here to that one, and so this one has a combo now. So this can activate another card that is 2 slots right. So you can place the cards in different places and, well, create combos that way. So there we go. This guy needs to keep killing enemies so that this bar gets filled, and when this bar gets filled, you can build a portal to the final boss. Here, wow, look at this. So that's the final boss. You have to defeat him to win the game. And that's basically it. But I need to balance it. I need to balance the game and to add sounds. Oh, I forgot something. I win the game when I defeat the final boss. That's when I win the game. So your objective is to make your heroes more powerful. When you win the game ends. For now, nothing else happens. But okay. What was I saying? Oh, I plan to have many unlocks, like in Vampire Survivors or Loop Hero. You know, when you can unlock new cards or unlock new heroes, cards, things like that. I plan to have those here too, but not for the demo. Not for this demo. Why not Godot? Because I have more experience in Unity. And I have many more. I have assets I can use. Lots of assets. And because there are far more people using Unity, so there is like years and years of knowledge on the internet about Unity, but not so much for Godot. But that doesn't mean Godot isn't good. I think it's a personal choice. So for me personally, I had more experience with Unity, so that's why I keep using Unity. I've been using it for many years already, so that's why. Yep. So I need a hero. For example, this clip editor is a Unity asset I bought to make animation editing easier. So that's why I use Unity too, because I accumulated tools that I bought for Unity. So it was easier to build games, easier, faster, and stuff like that. Terrain, sounds, hero, there you are, hero. So let's build the hero there. Let's put this on the pose editor. Wait a second, hero there. No animator mesh there. So I can export the current clip. There we go. There we go. So let's try to see if the sound effects work. Let's see. Instrumental. There. Oops. There. So there we have a punch attack, and there we have. So let's make this easier. I have there rock and wheat, so I just need a tree. Wait. Oh no, I built it really far away anyway. Oh, come on. Wait, oh, this is far away. I screwed that up. That. So I have a tree and a stone there. I just need wheat there. Let's see if that works. There we go. So let's see. There he goes. He's gonna fight the enemies. Didn't work. So I have no sounds. Why? basic attack, play sound. Oh, of course it doesn't work. So I have to use this there. Oh, I need to configure the hero with a sound emitter. There we go with the auto battles manager. There we put this here. Where are you? Let's put this to 1, and there we go. Save. Let's try again. Let's try again. Okay. So I have the village. There, let's build it there. Let's get this guy here. Okay, so I need, oh no, I can't build it there. So the stone can be around here. Right? Yes, there he goes. Oh, punch. Oh man. No sound. Wait a second. Why no sound? So do you have a sound emitter here in the auto battles? Say yes. Why this doesn't work? We have a sound manager. Oh, that's why. So for some reason, gameplay sound group didn't save. Oh man. So I forgot to add the freaking sound. Let's lock this. Action, lighting, stone. Come on. Sound. Okay, you. There. Basic attack. Add. There, so it's added. What else? UI. There. So I just need to see if the basic attack was added to the sound manager. Let's see. Sound manager, there, basic attack. So it should work. There. There. We have an attack. We have the tower. So let's see. Let's put a rock right next to this guy. there. So now nothing happened. Oh, wait a second. Of course it didn't happen. Of course nothing happened. No, wait, what am I seeing? What am I saying? Basic attack. What am I saying? So you are there. The basic attack is this one. The hero. Where are you, hero? There you are. The sound emitter is there. No loop on play. Sound effect, sound emitter. So this plays a sound. Plays a sound. Play one shot. And sound manager, there it is. Basic attack, this one. Why nothing happens? Wait, do I need to recompile? Recompile? Maybe that's why. Let's go. So there. We have a village. Yep. There. We have a punch attack. We need a there. So I'm gonna build a tree there. There we go. Oh, what did I get? Wait. Oh, come on, man. No sound? Wait a second. What's going on here? What's going on here? So is this the basic, the punch? When it goes here, spawns the prefab, play the sound, basic attack. Clip play sound, basic attack. There, close. Wait, don't you tell me it duplicated the clip. How many punches? One punch. Is that right? Wait a second. What's this? Why do I have a punch and a basic attack? Wait a second. And here I don't have a punch, I have a basic attack. Okay, let's just copy this guy. Let's delete it. Yes. And let's rename this. And here I have this guy, so I forgot to update it. That was all. Can I see if it works now? Oh yes. Okay. It sounds really bad. Let's see, hero, models, there. So let's do a 1. Let's do a 2. Okay. There we go. So this music emitter is that. I think the music doesn't loop for some reason. So when loop is true, display the loop. If loop is true, loop true. And the clip is this one. Or maybe I should do it like this. Clip. Oh. Okay, never mind. Let's do this. Let's do this. So I can hear the music. There, it's there. It's on loop. There, music loop. That should work. Whoa. It stopped. Oh no. There. Never mind. So it should continue. There. So we have a tower there. I'm gonna build the width there. There we go. Woohoo! Crazy rat. Wow, man. Wow. Oh, I know why. I know, because this guy should have a 3D. 3D should go to there. There we go. Now it makes sense. There. So I have there another stone and grass. There. What's going on with that? Where is the music? Okay. So what's going on with the music? Music sound emitter. There we go, it should be fine. Why it doesn't repeat? Okay, let's try something else. If this is loop, how many plays do we have? So I have this, play sound effects. I should do not a play one shot, but just play. The problem is that I already used this. So this is what I used to get a value. Let's try to do it a little bit different. Let's get this with private, that, get audio clip. There we go. So with this I get a return. Oh no, okay, never mind then. And here I do this and I return this thing. Okay, get audio clip. When I do this, play SFX, I get the audio clip and I do a sound. Oh, wait a second. Do I really need this guy? Play SFX, sound emitter, and this guy. Play sound. So when it's a loop, you call this guy. When it's not a loop, you call this. Wait a second. When this is a loop, you get, you get this guy. So let's do an else. Play one shot. And let's do this, play. Play clip. Or should I say, what? Should I say just play? And with this guy, I do a just play one shot. Play one shot. The source, let's do just one. Okay, so wait, I don't want there, void. I don't need you there. So where else? There. When this is called, this is used. Play one shot. And when this is called, if this is a loop, this is called play loop through. Okay. And when this is called, Main map, music, this is true. Okay. Okay. So that should be enough. But let's change the sound because I don't like it. No, 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 no. No, too long. What's this UI? No. Music, card status. There. No. This one. Okay, what was I doing? So as I was editing the hero, I set this to 3D and should change this minimum. So this is really close actually. 50. Okay, let's save this and I'll be back in a second. Be right back. All right. Oh, I should add a sound for when I get a new card. So where is it? I think it's called mini card. Let's see. Okay, here. So let's add one of these sound emitter. No, not here. Oh, maybe yes. Why not? So my sound emitter plays sound. Let's do a sound manager dot sound effects dot button clicked card taken card discarded card drops card swapped card activated card combo card B. Let's do card B, card C, card D, card F, card A, B, C, D, F, G. There. So this is card taken. There we go. There. Card dropped. There, let's get when a card appears and when a card what was I saying? When a card is dropped and when a card is taken. Or should it change the name? Maybe I can change the name. There, let's add a new one for the card, let's say dropped. Add another one for the card taken. Let's see what what sounds do I have here? Should I say UI? That's nice. Card taken. Card dropped. All right. Let's try that. Oh, wait a second. Did I configure it? No, I forgot to configure it. But let's see if I have the sounds on the sound manager. Yes, card taken, card dropped. Okay, let's see the mini card. Mini card template. Oh, look at that. I forgot to add the sound emitter. So where do I have the template? Sound emitter there. And let's put this on 3D. Let's do this slow. Let's just do this one. Let's go. Okay, village. There. Okay, something weird happened there. Let's create the tower. So I have there the tree. I can put the wheat close to the stone there. Oh, look. Sounds like a crunch. Okay, that's a weird sound, I guess. Audio gameplay sounds. Card taken. It sounds so different. Let's change this. There. Okay. So am I really going to need to edit every single animation? Execute. Well, it wasn't hard actually. It's not hard at all. Can I rename this? Clip. Yes, I can. Slash walk. I should rename it so that I don't have future problems. Slash basic attack. Okay. Let's change the name to basic attack. There we go. So what else? When I grab one, let me check. So when I drag a card, card taken, card. Let's remove this. Let's say card reward obtained, card dropped. This card swap activated, card combo, card dragged. There, so let's see. On pointer enter. There, let's see this. On begin drag. Enable screen collider layer, card tracks. Sound, gameplay sounds, open. So how can I duplicate this? Ping, open, maximize, close, alt tab. Okay, this new one. Wait. So let's see. Add card dragged, swapped combo should be around there. Where is it? Card dragged. Card combo activated swap drop discarded, reward obtained. Okay, so I need to compile. Okay, add hero, drag it there. So let's see. Let's try that one. Okay. Let's see. What? Uh, let's change some things. Card. Let's see. Rewarded. Card swap. Card discard. Card swap. Card activate. Card combo. Contract. Let's do a card. Dropped. There. So let's do a new card. Come on. There. Card dropped. There. Okay. Oh, of course. How could I make this trackable card on and drag? No, I need a drop area there. Let's do this on drop. There, card dropped. Let's see what you've got. when it starts the drag, I don't like it. This sound is really crappy. Let's see this. Okay. All right, much better. All right. All right, so let's do one when there are too many cards. Let's do too many cards. Cards extra 2. Let's do cards extra 3. There, 10. Other. So when and how? Cards deck manager, player deck. How was it? How does this work? So I have the UI there, player deck, card deck manager on card dropped. There, can I see this? On card dropped, yes. So if it doesn't accept a card quantity, let's do too many cards, or rather okay. New card not accepted. Okay. What's this? Importing assets. There, let's add a new one. What? New card not accepted. transition. Weird. There. So the other one is limits, the limits of the card. Limit. Let's delete that. I don't remember how it was called. Anyway. So sound emitter, play sound. Let's go. Okay. There, so we have wheat and stone. There. Oops. That sound is really bad, you know. When you grab a new card, it's an ugly sound. Well, is it ugly? I'm not sure. Okay, I just need new cards, please. Wait a second. What's going on here? New card not accepted. So what's going on with this? Oh, I can't hear anything. New card not accepted. Negative that. I should hear this that, but I don't hear anything. So this is completely 2D. But I can't hear anything. Card dropped. Wait. Oh, right. This is okay. So where's the mini? The mini card. Mini card. When I clicked. Else. Okay, so there. Accept new card quantity. There, so I should do this. Update is card restricted. Is restricted. If is restricted, let's do new card not accepted. There we go. So let's try again. Nice. So there, I have that. Can I add a potion? Yes. Can I add enemy poison, enemy cooldown charge? -1. So there. There I do a cave. There, self-poison, +4. Oh no, okay, let's throw that. Okay, I have 2 weapons. Self-sleep and that. Okay, now let's do a card discarded. So where is this? The empty card drop area. On card dropped. There. Card discarded. Card discarded. There is card discarded. So let's see the sound it should make. Let's try that one. So it's dumped in the trash. You know, it sounds like more like that. What about light? Light thunk, slight clatter. Okay. What? So I think that the thing that happens is that it gets dropped and also discarded. So it's interrupted. What should I do? Wait a second. Both of them should play. Both of them should play. Return to last parent on card dropped. Wait. No, not you, man. So I made that mistake. Empty. Oh, yes. No, not empty. It has to be the trash. Where is the trash? What's this? Where is it? Oh, there. Card trash can. On card dropped. that one. On card dropped. There we go. Card discarded. Now it should sound well and nice. There we go. So let's throw some stone. Nice. Very nice. So I think that's enough. Enough for today. So I've been feeling extremely tired in the last couple of weeks, but I think thanks to the rest I've been having, I've been trying to get a couple of hours of rest, a couple of extra hours of rest, so I think I'm slowly recovering. I'm feeling a bit better. And well, this work about adding sound effects is relatively easier than programming really complex stuff. So I think thanks to that I'm not getting tired so much tired. So I hope I can have more energy next week. So next week I'm gonna continue adding more sounds and yeah, add more sounds. I need to add tooltips and then I need to do the tutorial, and that should be it. No more things. And balancing. I need to balance the game. And that's it. Okay. Thanks for stopping by and for watching and for your interactions. See you soon. See you next week. Bye bye.